Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesarwani and today I am starting a new lecture series. The lecture series will be on the Java programming tutorial. So this will be my first Java program in this tutorial, and I will be showing you how to check if a string is a palindrome or not. So first of all, try to understand what is a palindrome string. So a palindrome string is a string whose reverse is also the same as that of the string. For example, let's say madam, as the reverse of the string is same as the string itself, and also you can say ma'am. So it is also a palindrome string. So these kind of strings whose reverse is also the same as that of the original string is known as a palindrome string. So let's start coding for this. So for this I will be defining a public class palindrome, and in the class I will be defining a main method with the help of the public static void main function. Public static void main string args. So what I require now is I want a string. So let's take a string s equals to, say the string is madam, as we have taken in the above example. Now, what will I do? I will be using a string buffer. So, a string buffer is just like a string, but it can be modified. So, I will be using a string buffer. String buffer br is equals to new string buffer, and here I will pass the string s. So what will I do now? I will take the reverse of this string so that I can compare it and check whether the string is a palindrome or not. So for that purpose I will be requiring another string buffer, say let's say temp, and here what will I do is I will take the reverse of the first string, and my string is in the br. You can see that my string is in the br. So what will I do is I will just take the reverse of the br dot reverse method, and reverse method is already defined in the string buffer. That is why we are using it. So I have taken the reverse. Now I will assign this string. Firstly, I will convert this into the string, and then I will assign it into a new string so that I can compare it easily. So I will be requiring another variable, say s1, and what will I do? I will just take the string. I will just convert this into the string and assign it into the s1 variable. So temp dot, what will I do? I will convert it into a string. Okay. Now I will check whether these two strings are equal or not. So as I will be using the equals method for this, and s1 dot equals, and I will be passing s1 r string. No, I have to pass s because I've already written s1 here. So with whom I want to compare it? I want to compare it with the string s, which is madam. So I will be passing s in it. Now if the condition satisfies, I want to write system.out.println, and I will simply print that it is a palindrome string. Palindrome string, or in the else part I will write that it is not a palindrome. So system dot out dot println, it is not a palindrome. Oh sorry, palindrome. Rome string and a semicolon here. So let's run this program and check whether we are getting the correct output or not. We should get that it is a palindrome string. So run file. So it is taking to file. Yes, you can see that it is giving me the output. It is a palindrome string. So let's change the string to check some non-palindrome string. For example, mad. So let's run the file again. So you can see that it is not a palindrome string. Now let's check ma'am and run this file. So you can see that I have got the output. It is a palindrome string. So this is how simply you can check whether a string is palindrome or not in the Java programming language. And guys, I have also uploaded many lectures on the C programming tutorials. You can check that out, and I provided the link of those series also in my description box. So thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such programming videos.